Hello everyone, we will install our package today lesson. We need 4 packages for the migration process. We can install this package in our entity layer. Right click entity layer, manage and get packages, browse. Normally the migration process will be done in the data access layer, but since the entity layer is referenced to the data access layer, it will be sufficient to install the package in the entity layer, which is the lower layer. Good. Let's install the package we need. Let's type entity core in the search field. Entity core. Okay. We need first Microsoft.Entity Framework core version, no latest stable 8.0.6. we need 6 latest version 6.0.31. Install. I'm waiting. Entity framework package is ready, equipped and installed. Okay, this one. We need second package, entity framework core design. Version is core design. Version is, why don't come, entity framework core design. Right click, manage and get package, browse entity core and second package, entity framework core design. Okay. Description: shared design time components for entity framework core tools. Version 6.0.31. Install. Equipped. Okay. Entity framework core design installed. Is it ready? Yes. Okay, good. We need third package, SQL Server, Microsoft.Entity Framework core SQL Server 6 version. Install. Okay, this is installed, and finally we need Microsoft.Entity Framework core.tools. This package provides migration process. If it is open, I will install. Why is open? Right click, manage and get package. I'm waiting. Browse entity core, entity framework core tools. Yes, description: entity framework core tools for the package manager console in Visual Studio enables these commonly used commands: migration, add migration, bundle migration, blah blah. And 6.0.31. install. Okay, our package is here. Where is package? And data access layer, dependencies. We need reference entity framework. Right click, data access layer, add project reference and choose Foody.entity layer. Okay, and this is ready. Projects, Foody.entity layer and our package. As you can see, this package can also be accessed at the data access layer. Okay, now let's create our other 2 layers. Let's give a reference. We need 2 other layers. Add new project, class library, Our project name is Foody dot business layer for validation rules. Okay, Foody dot business layer, next, and create. Okay, delete this class. Our business layer is ready, and finally add new project. Our last project is SP.NET Core Web Application Model View Controller. Project name is Foody.presentation layer or web UI. And next, and create. Okay, our presentation layer is ready. Start layers must be presentation layer. Right click on presentation layer and set as startup project. This is presentation layer. Okay, our package is ready. Our other layers are ready. That's enough. That's enough. See you next lesson. Have a good day.